Have you been working hard at your job for a while now, but feel like you are not being compensated fairly? Do you feel like you deserve a raise or promotion, but don't know how to ask for one? Well, you're not alone. Negotiating a raise or promotion can be a daunting task, but with the right approach, it can be a successful one. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and strategies to help you negotiate a raise or promotion with confidence and success. We'll cover everything from preparing for the negotiation, to presenting your case, to handling any objections or pushback you may receive. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge you need to negotiate a raise or promotion that you deserve. So, let's get started. The first step in negotiating a raise or promotion is to prepare. This means doing your research and gathering information that will support your case. Start by researching industry standards for salaries and job titles similar to yours. This will give you an idea of what others in your field are making and what you can reasonably expect. Next, review your job description and make a list of all the responsibilities and tasks you've taken on since you were hired. This will help you demonstrate how you've grown and taken on more responsibilities since you started. Practice your pitch and anticipate any objections or questions your boss may have. This will help you feel more confident and prepared during the negotiation. Remember, preparation is key to a successful negotiation. Take the time to gather information and practice your pitch, and you'll be well on your way to getting the raise or promotion you deserve. Now that you've done your research and prepared your pitch, it's time to present your case. Start by expressing your gratitude for the opportunity to work for the company and your enthusiasm for your job. Then, present your case by highlighting your accomplishments, the additional responsibilities you've taken on, and the value you've brought to the company. Provide supporting documents, such as performance reviews, metrics, and any other relevant data that demonstrates your contributions to the company. Be open to feedback and listen to any objections or concerns your boss may have. Address them calmly and professionally, and offer solutions or compromises if necessary. End the presentation by thanking your boss for their time and consideration, and reiterating your enthusiasm for your job and the company. Remember, presenting your case with confidence and professionalism is key to a successful negotiation. Even with the best preparation and presentation, it's possible that your boss may have objections or pushback to your request for a raise or promotion. The key to handling objections is to remain calm and professional, and to address them with confidence and facts. If your boss raises concerns about budget constraints or company policies, offer solutions or compromises that address their concerns while still allowing you to achieve your goals. If your boss is hesitant to grant your request, ask for feedback on what you can do to improve and work towards a raise or promotion in the future. Remember, handling objections with professionalism and confidence can help you overcome any obstacles and achieve your goals. After the negotiation, it's important to follow up with your boss to ensure that the agreed upon terms are implemented. Send a follow-up email thanking your boss for their time and reiterating the terms of the agreement. Schedule a follow-up meeting to discuss your progress and ensure that you're on track to meet your goals. Finally, celebrate your success with your colleagues and continue to work hard and strive for excellence in your job. Remember, negotiating a raise or promotion is a process that requires preparation, presentation, handling objections, and follow-up. With the right approach and mindset, you can achieve the success you deserve.